Welcome to this essential guide for parents: how to stop your toddler from using phones, iPads, and TV too much. In this video, we'll walk you through simple, research-backed steps to manage screen time for your little ones aged 2 to 5. Whether you're worried about too much TV or constant phone demands, you're not alone, and this guide is for you. Let's begin your journey toward healthier habits and happier kids. Tips for parents: keep the tone positive and encouraging. This is about creating better habits, not punishment, and prepare to take small, consistent steps rather than expecting overnight changes. Why should we limit screen time for toddlers? Research shows that too much screen exposure can negatively impact brain development during these critical early years. It may reduce attention span, disturb sleep cycles, and even stunt creativity. Excessive screen time promotes passive consumption rather than active learning. As parents, recognizing the importance of reducing screen use is the first step in promoting healthier habits that nurture your child's body and brain. Tips for parents: observe any behavioral shifts after long screen sessions, note sleep or mood changes, and replace screen time with interactive play to support emotional and cognitive growth. Before you can fix a problem, you need to understand it. Start by tracking your toddler's screen time. Use a simple log or a free app. Take note of when they use devices most often. Is it during tantrums? Boredom? Or when you're busy? Identifying these triggers helps you develop personalized solutions. Understanding your child's screen habits puts you in control and prepares you to make meaningful changes. The tips for parents are: knowing the problem before solving it, and use screen time tracking apps like Moment or Family Link, and keep a simple journal for 1 week to identify key triggers and patterns. Less screen, more dream. Consistency is key. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends no more than 1 hour of high-quality content each day for children aged 2 to 5. Set clear daily limits and create a routine that includes screen-free times, like during meals or bedtime. Use timers or alarms to indicate when screen time is over. When expectations are predictable, toddlers feel more secure, and parents regain balance. Tips for parents are: introduce a visual schedule chart for toddlers to anticipate screen and no screen times, and set timers or alarms your child can hear and understand when screen time ends. Out of sight, out of mind. Where your child uses a screen matters. Make bedrooms and dining areas screen-free zones. These spaces should be for rest and family bonding, not digital distractions. Keep devices stored away during no screen times, and remember, children mimic adult behavior. Limiting your own screen use sets a strong example. When screens are out of sight, they're also out of mind. Tips for parents are: create a special screen-free family zone filled with books, toys, and bonding games, and lead by example. Keep your own devices away during meals and bedtime. Engage with fun activities. Spark their curiosity with real-world fun. Want to reduce screen time? Offer fun and meaningful alternatives. Bring out puzzles, building blocks, and crayons to spark creativity. Encourage outdoor play, like trips to the park or nature walks. Even involve toddlers in household chores, like folding laundry or mixing pancake batter. When children are engaged with real-world tasks and sensory play, screens lose their appeal naturally. Tips for parents are: create an activity box with puzzles, crayons, and sensory items for easy access, and set up a simple outdoor scavenger hunt or nature walk to spark excitement. Choose quality content. When screens are used, make every minute count. Select quality, age-appropriate programs like Sesame Street or PBS Kids. Watch together and talk about what's on screen. This turns passive watching into active learning. Avoid using devices as babysitters. Instead, treat screen time as a shared experience that supports your child's development and builds connection. Make screen time a shared learning moment. Tips for parents: preview shows before introducing them to your child to ensure quality, and use co-viewing time to ask open-ended questions that spark discussion. Handle resistance from kids. Patience turns tantrums into triumphs. Change is hard, especially for toddlers. When screen time is reduced, expect some resistance. Stay calm and consistent. Acknowledge their feelings. I know you want the iPad, but let's build with blocks instead. Offer fun distractions and be patient. Over time, tantrums will fade and healthier habits will form. Your calm response today shapes their behavior tomorrow. Tips offer choices. Do you want to play with blocks or paint to reduce tension and stay calm and empathetic? Validate their frustration without giving in. Involve the family. Teamwork makes the dream work. Consistency works best when everyone is on board. Talk with caregivers, grandparents, and babysitters about your screen time rules. Encourage family activities like storytelling, singing, or playing board games. Set screen time limits for everyone, not just the kids. When the whole family models healthy digital habits, children learn to do the same. It truly takes a team to succeed. Tips for parents: hold a short family meeting to discuss and agree on screen time rules and create a weekly screen-free evening. Force shared activities like storytelling. Monitor progress. Small steps lead to big changes. Keep track of your progress. Review your child's screen logs weekly and celebrate milestones, like fewer tantrums or more time spent playing. If there's a setback, don't worry. This is a journey, not a race. Small steps like replacing one screen session with play can lead to big, long-term changes. Stay consistent, be kind to yourself, and enjoy the wins along the way. Tips for parents are: use sticker charts or reward systems to celebrate reduced screen time. And reassess rules monthly and adapt based on what's working or not. Common challenges and solutions. Tackle obstacles with smart strategies. Every family faces unique challenges. Does your toddler sneak devices? Store them securely. Do siblings argue over screen time? Set equal limits for all. Busy parents? Prepare quick and fun offline activities ahead of time. Realistic planning and proactive strategies can help you navigate these hurdles with confidence. Smart parenting means adapting with flexibility and love. Tips for parents are: use passcodes or lock apps to limit unauthorized access to devices and rotate screen-free activities to keep toddlers engaged and curious. Supporting evidence. Backed by science, trusted by parents. The recommendations shared here are backed by trusted health experts. The American Academy of Pediatrics and Mayo Clinic stress that screen time should never replace play, movement, or human interaction. Excessive screen use in toddlers is linked to language delays and poor sleep. The science is clear: limiting screen time is one of the best gifts you can give your child. Tips for parents share expert recommendations with caregivers to build collective understanding and keep printed guidelines, like AAP or WHO tips, visible on your fridge or bulletin board. Conclusion and call to action. Let's raise happy, healthy kids together. Reducing screen time isn't about punishment, it's about unlocking your child's creativity, connection, and curiosity. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate every step. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more parenting tips. Together, let's raise happy, healthy, and screen-smart kids. Thank you for joining us. Reducing screen time fosters creativity and connection. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey. Subscribe for more parenting tips. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit. Leave a comment to tell us your experience or ask a question. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical guides on parenting and child development. Let's work together to build a more livable world for children.